Welcome back to Dream Autos, where we bring you the perfect blend of luxury and adventure. Today, we're taking the all-new 2026 BMW X6 on a camping journey to show you how this high-performance SUV doesn't just own the road, it also owns the great outdoors. The 2026 X6 isn't just about aggressive looks and sporty performance, though with its revamped front grille, laser-thin headlights, and aerodynamic body, it turns heads wherever it goes. Under the hood, it boasts a 3.0-liter inline-six engine with mild hybrid tech, giving you both power and efficiency. Perfect for the open road, mountain trails, or that hidden campsite deep in the forest. As we pull off the main road and onto a rugged trail, the X-Drive all-wheel drive system kicks in seamlessly. The adaptive suspension softens the bumps, making the ride smooth even on unpaved paths. Whether you're heading to a lakeside retreat or climbing up into the hills, the X6 handles it with confidence and ease. When it's time to set up camp, the spacious rear cargo area really shines. With the rear seats folded flat, there's more than enough room for all your gear, tents, coolers, even a fold-out table and chairs. And thanks to the hands-free tailgate, unloading is effortless, even with your hands full. One of the biggest surprises is the available camping mode in the X6's digital cockpit. With a few taps, you can activate features like extended battery, support, ambient lighting, and custom climate control. So if you're sleeping inside the vehicle or just relaxing with the tailgate open, you stay comfortable all night long. We set up our rooftop tent right on the X6's durable roof rails. It's a perfect match. Not only does it elevate the camping experience, but it also shows how versatile this luxury SUV really is. And if you prefer a more grounded setup, there's enough room around the vehicle to create a cozy campsite with lanterns, a fire pit, and even a portable shower station. As night falls, the interior transforms into a haven. The crystal gear shifter, panoramic ambient lighting, and luxurious leather seats give you that high-end hotel feeling, even out in the wilderness. Want to watch a movie under the stars? The built-in 5G connectivity means you can stream right from the infotainment screen or cast to a portable projector nearby. The next morning, we brew fresh coffee using the 12V outlet, overlooking a stunning sunrise. The X6 doesn't just get you there, it becomes part of the experience. So if you're someone who demands performance on the road and comfort in the wild, the 2026 BMW X6 might just be your perfect companion. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss our next adventure. This is Dream Autos, where every drive is a dream.